very cheerful morning to one and all present here. We welcome you to the Children's Day program of our school. Today is a very special day, a day dedicated to all loving children. Today is the birth anniversary of our beloved Chacha Nehru. Children's Day is a day filled with laughter, innocence, purity that you all bring to this world. Big dreams packed in your twinkling eyes, boundless love in your unbiased heart, and the strength to make impossible happen in your little hands. You have the potential to transform tomorrow. Every child is like a flower, and no two flowers can be compared. On behalf of all your loving teachers, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Let's come together and make this day a memorable one. Let's begin our program with the lighting of lamp followed by prayer song.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः असतो मा सद्गमय
गाता रहे मेरा दिल तेरी प्रशंसा बार बार कैसे करूं मैं धन्यवाद उपकार मिले प्रभु हजार गाता रहे मेरा दिल तेरी प्रशंसा बार बार कैसे करूं मैं धन्यवाद मेरे प्रभु हजार तुमको धन्यवाद कहते प्रभु कृतज्ञ दिल से कहते तुमको धन्यवाद आज धन्यवाद कहते प्रभु आभारी दिल से कहते तुमको धन्यवाद तुमको धन्यवाद कहते प्रभु कृतज्ञ दिल से कहते तुमको धन्यवाद आज धन्यवाद कहते प्रभु आभारी दिल से कहते तुमको धन्यवाद तुमसे मिली हर खुशी तुमसे मिली है जिंदगी काबिल मैं ना था कभी फिर भी दिया तूने सभी तुमसे मिली हर खुशी जिंदगी काबिल मैं ना था कभी फिर भी दिया तूने सभी तुमको धन्यवाद कहते प्रभु कृतज्ञ दिल से कहते तुमको धन्यवाद आज धन्यवाद कहते प्रभु आभारी दिल से कहते तुमको धन्यवाद धन्यवाद कहते प्रभु कृतज्ञ दिल से कहते तुमको धन्यवाद आज धन्यवाद कहते प्रभु आभारी दिल से कहते तुमको धन्यवाद आभारी दिल से कहते तुमको धन्यवाद आभारी दिल से कहते तुमको धन्यवाद।
हे ईश्वर, आज बालक दिन के इस शुभ अवसर पर हम हमारे पाठशाला के सभी विद्यार्थियों के लिए आपसे प्रार्थना करते हैं। आप उनका स्वास्थ्य उत्तम बनाए रखिए। आप अपने आशीषों की वर्षा उन पर कीजिए जिससे उनका सर्वांगीण विकास हो सके और वे अपने माता पिता, अपने पाठशाला व देश का नाम रोशन कर सकें। हे ईश्वर, हम आपसे उन बच्चों के लिए भी प्रार्थना करते हैं जो अनाथ हैं, बेसहारा हैं और जिन्होंने कोविड काल में अपने माता पिता को खोया है। हे ईश्वर, आप उनका सहारा बनिए, उनका आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाइए। यह छोटी सी प्रार्थना हम आपसे करते हैं।
Every child is a miracle in his own way. to make this world a beautiful place. They are the hopes for our brightest tomorrow and a beautiful dream for our happy future. A very happy Children's Day to all my dear students. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year as a tribute to our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly called Chacha Nehru by children. Today, on this auspicious occasion, I want to share a small incident from his childhood. One day, Nehru was playing with his friends. Suddenly, a ball fell into the pit. Everyone was trying to take it out, but they couldn't. Nehru was watching all these things silently. Suddenly, he went inside the home and bring some water. Then he poured that water into the pit. As a result, the ball came up. All his friends were very happy. This shows his presence of mind to handle the situation. He always appealed to the children that they should climb the ladder of success with utmost dignity and respect. They are the building blocks of a nation. If a nation wants to be developed and prosperous one, they should grow these children in every optimistic manner. You have new and innovative ideas. So let your ideas blossom and let your minds wander with wonder.
दिल तो बच्चा है जी, थोड़ा कच्चा है जी, डर लगता है फिर भी समझे नहीं, दिल तो बच्चा है जी। शिक्षक बच्चों के लिए कभी परी की तरह होती है तो कभी जादूगर की तरह। इसी प्रकार हमारे शिक्षक बच्चों को चिल्ड्रंस डे की शुभकामनाएं देने जा रहे हैं। तो आइए चलते हैं।
हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे।
Now, hold your breath for the next captivating performance by our choir group.
मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, इसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जी सफर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से। यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से, कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से। ला 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 la 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 la.
स्वामी विवेकानंद ने कहा है कि व्यक्ति अपने गुणों और कार्यों से ही महान होता है। क्या होते हैं ये गुण? ये गुण होते हैं हमारे नैतिक मूल्य। वे नैतिक मूल्य जो हमें हमारे शिक्षकों से, हमारे पालकों से और हमारे मित्रों से मिलते हैं। कैसे ये नैतिक मूल्य हमें जीवन में सफल बनाते हैं, आइए देखते हैं एक झलक द्वारा।
Values help us to achieve success in our lives. It may come from our professors, parents, or any other older person. Don't take it lightly. See what happens when this value is ingrained in us.
Hey, wait. Keep the pen in the stand. It is fallen down.
I didn't like living in this house. My father always nagging me. Don't waste electricity, keep the things properly. But today, I had an invitation for job interview. As soon as I get the job, I should leave this town.
Soon the time flies off, and he became young and get ready for the job.
Wait. Take this. Answer the question without hesitation and be confident.
He entered the hall with some trepidation. He straightened out the mat with some irritation. Habits die hard. He saw that in a few rows there were many people waiting for their turn, but a number of fans were running over those rows of seats. He heard his father's voice again. He switched off the fans that were not needed and sat at one of the empty chairs. When it was his turn, he went and stood before the interviewer with some trepidation and concern. The officer took the certificates from him and without looking at them asked, "When can you start work?"
When you are going to start the work?
He thought, is this a trick question being asked in the interview? Or is this a signal that I have been offered the job? He was confused.
What you are thinking, we didn't ask any question to anyone. By asking question, we won't able to assess the behavior of a proper candidate. We get certain tests based on the behavior of the candidates. And we observe it. You were the only one who did that. That's why we have decided to select you for this job. Upbringing matters a lot because of the values given by your parents and teachers. Your selection has been done. So congratulations and give your best.
He always used to get irritated of his father's discipline and demonstrations. Now he realized that it is only the discipline that has got him his job. His irritation and anger at his father vanished completely.
A rock doesn't become a beautiful sculpture if it resists the pain of chisel chipping it away.
For us to become a beautiful sculpture and a human being, we need to admonition that chisel out the bad habits and behavior from ourselves.
Whatever our parents, teachers, and friends tells us is only for our good aim at giving us a bright future.
Children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured. Student, as we teachers love you, in the same way our Reverend Brother Principal also loves you. Now, here I call our Principal for his motivational message for our dear students on this occasion.
My dear little and young Montfortians, on behalf of all the teachers and the brothers at Montfort, I wish each one of you a very happy Children's Day. Let each day of the year ahead brings you a lot of happiness, cheer, good health, fun and sunshine. As teachers, each time when we see you all, we wish we could be children again. For there is a lot of happiness, fun and joy in childhood that can't be explained in words. But at the same time, I'm sure each one of you will wonder, where is the fun when we have deadlines to meet? Where is the fun when we have no freedom to move around and play, especially during these testing and difficult times? My dear students, that's what the childhood is all about. It is a time when you are guided, protected, and mentored by your teachers and parents. There is always a bigger picture, way beyond our comprehension. What is life without these twists and turns? What is life without these suspenses and surprises? We may call it tough times. We may call it testing times. We may call it challenging times. But believe me, my dear students, that we have to go through these testing times to evolve ourselves into that stature of perfection and beauty. My dear students, the caterpillar must hibernate into a cocoon to grow wings and to become a beautiful butterfly. The bamboo is cut to become a flute. The stone being chiseled to create a marvelous statue. Gold is melted in the making of shining jewels. Dear students, you are tested only to be created more strong and powerful. Let this Children's Day be a special one for each one of you to realize and discover the enormous potentials you have in yourself and to face any challenges and difficulties in life with an enduring spirit of determination and discipline. This celebration coincides with the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His great love for roses as well as children is a well-known truth. In fact, he used to compare the two, saying, children are like buds in a garden. They should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and citizens of tomorrow. Each one of you is a part of that beautiful garden. Every flower is different in its color, size and beauty. But the garden becomes beautiful only when there is such differences. Hence, my dear students, you need to learn that each one of you is different and special. You are gifted with different talents and abilities. You need to appreciate and acknowledge that differences in you to become a beautiful garden in this world. My dear young and little Montfortians, be sure that you are going to be the leaders and the game changers of tomorrow. May our Montfort School's vision be fulfilled in empowering each one of you, transforming you into an attractive and admirable garden, molding you into innovators in whose hands India and the world will be safe. Life is all about learning something new every day and adapting to the changing conditions with confidence and courage. On this occasion of Children's Day, once again I wish each one of you progress, success, and happiness in life. Once again wishing each one of you a very happy Children's Day. May God bless us all.
Now it's the time to enjoy the graceful dance performance by the teachers for the loving students.
Te amo.